Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some makeup products because I was asked if we'd done an eyebrow pencil, and the one that we do have we've had forever, and the last video I had that I could share was 2014. I had cheekbones, I had short hair, and I was like a lot younger, so I thought, you know what, I need to do a new one, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show a lot of my favorite products so I can finish my makeup off and go to the shop. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sharon Howat and I help network marketers get seen, loved and selling using social media and YouTube. So if you have never subscribed to it, saw my videos, hit that button because I share videos weekly, whether it's network marketing tips, whether it's how-to tutorials, be it, using social media, Filmora, Kartra, or it's, doing some product demonstrations. You'll find them on there. Right, so let's get back into the video. So as I said, I've already done one eyebrow, but if you are anybody like me from the 80s and the 90s, you'll find that, especially women over 40, that your eyebrows get thinner. And this is where the eyebrow pencil comes in. Or you can obviously get them tinted or do what you do with them, but I don't. I just, I use an eyebrow pencil, and I only ever really use it if I'm going out anywhere. And what I love about this pencil is it comes in two shades. It comes in Auburn or Bistre. Is it has this automatic pencil sharpener, and it's brilliant. So as I say, that's why I love this. It's a brilliant product. So I'm just gonna show you, it's just like I said, it's automatic. So let's just do it. But first things first, when you do your eyebrows, you have to, I've done that. I'm going to use my phone on here because I just can't, it's all back to front in the camera. You have to measure your eyes. And if you've got any hair on this side, and then when you go to the edge of the brow that side, you need to pluck it so you know that you've got a right balanced eyebrow. So let's just do that. So I know where this is because I've done it for that many years. I'm doing this side, and you just do your little line, and then just gently pretend you're just drawing little hairs. And then over your arch, and this bridge, I'll show you how you get that right as well. Where your point is and your eyebrow. I don't tend to do too much on here. I think that's it. I can't really see because it's a bit of a distance. And then I've just done that eyebrow. This will be entertaining. Taking me, everything's mirrored. Okay. So what I do at the end is I do tend to just blend it in a little bit, so I don't look like a drag queen. Not that there's anything wrong with drag queens. I love drag queens. I've got a friend who's a drag queen. There's actually a video on my YouTube channel of my friend who's a drag queen. I'll link it up. Have a watch of him, Billy Raymond. He's a well-known drag queen who goes all over the world as the queen. Right. Okay. Right. I think that'll do. Anyway. There we go. So what I now do is I'll just blend it in a little bit, as I say, because I don't want it to. I better do this one a bit more because I've done that one twice, didn't I? Oh dear. It's Friday. It's Friday. There we go. So that's my eyebrows done. Not that you can really tell because I have my fringe, but it just really it just gives you a bit more shape to your face. But as I say about the bridge, so this is where you start. But when you go through, you've got to look straight ahead, and then where the middle center line of your pupil is, that's where the bridge of your eyebrow is. And then when you go like that to the end of your eye, that is where your eyebrow stops. So there's a little tip for you. Right. So let's go back to the makeup. I always start and I always wear the Ideal Cover, and it's in the nude shade, and I absolutely love this shade. It's perfect for you can see I'm pale. It's a perfect match for my skin, this one. So this is what I use. I'll quickly show you. This is a new one. I do need a new because at the minute I'm using like, this is a good thing about these is they're like that, the inside. So that's what I'm using at the minute. I like to get my money's worth out of my foundations, So I always scrape it out the bottle. But there you go. That's the shade of nude. And just do like that. Even though we've had lovely weather We've all probably got a bit of a tan, so we maybe need to go shade darker. I don't because I don't have time to sit out in the sun. I don't have that much time. I only sit out in the sun when I'm going all day. Right, so that is the nude shade, and that's the foundation that I use every single day. Now, what else I use apart from eyebrow pencil, which I don't use all the time. I only use that if well, I meet hubby up to town every other week, so I'll put my brows on there if I feel a bit fancy. Right, this is phenomenal. This is brilliant for everyday mascara. I love it. I've used it for years. The HD is my other favourite, and again, I will wear that if I'm going out or anything, but this is my go-to every single day mascara. I'm going to link all these products below so you can buy them. You can get them sent directly to your house, or you can open a free account and get them at discounted prices. You get them at my price. Right, I don't know what I'm doing. Right, I'm going to put my mascara on now. Again, I need to use this. So when you put your mascara on, you zigzag. You start at the bottom, zigzag up. Start at the bottom, zigzag up. So you're brushing it. And then I don't put much on the bottom. It's only just a little dib on the bottom. So that's just like the first coat. So I'll just do this. And then also another tip for when you do your mascara is you work your way. Say that's your eyelash. It's shaped like that, so make sure you were doing your mascara like that, and that so you are going in the whole direction that your eyebrows are actually growing. A lot of people just go straight up and down, and we haven't got straight up and down eyelashes. 2 coats. I don't do any more than 2. Same with the HD. Dab, dab, dab. Very gentle. I just touch these. I'm not doing anything that one, did I? It's really hard looking in the phone and not into a mirror. So after this video, I'm gonna go in the bathroom and I think, oh my god, what have you done? What have you done? It doesn't look too bad to me. I'm not doing too bad. Do with being a bit straighter. But anyway, this is why I love the Phenomenal. Look at that, straight away with the Phenomenal. It's just an amazing mascara. And it's not expensive. None of this stuff is expensive. It's so affordable. Right, finally, my lippy. I love this lipstick. It is Blazing Coral. This is all I wear. I'll use... I do get my fancy on, don't I? So if I fancy wearing a bit of red, it's like a pinky red one that I do like. I only wear 2, so it would either be the pinky red one or this one. And I just whap it on and you're done. But if you're using red, you would do your... Can't do it back to front. Or you would go like cross and then do that. Anyway, I love this colour. I'm not very good at pouting. And there we go. Lip is done. Eyes are done. Foundation's done. I am ready to go to the shop with my mascara. So there you go. If you do, like I say, these are my go-to products and I absolutely love them. I've used them for years, as you will see. So it's a bit of a journey, isn't it, this YouTube channel of mine? Is that you've seen me from the start of my journey to now, and then you'll see me when I'm probably 80 still using the same products, because I'll be, if they ever discontinue them, I'll be mass hauling them, hoarding them. So anyway, that's it. If you do want any of the products, I'm going to list them below so you can go and have a little look at the online catalogue and see what you could use as well. See how affordable they are. But also, if you do want to open your own account, the links are below. We are a global, worldwide company. You just can't get the mascara. You can't get any makeup or anything yet in Australia. You only can get fragrances. But the rest of the world, you shop away. And tell me below, tell me what's your go-to products in the comments. What can you not go to the shop without wearing? For me, it's definitely mascara. I like my mascara and I have to wear foundation, and that's it. I don't mind if I don't have my brows done, don't mind if I don't have lippy on, but it has to be my mascara and my foundation. But when I do get fancy, I do like to put my lips on and my bit blusher and my eyebrows. Right, have a brilliant day. Remember, subscribe. I'm going to drop some links into other products that you can have a look at as well up there, and I shall see you on the next video. Bye.